Let's see how to autofit contents in the table in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that you have this table right here, and you want to make sure that your table cells, or rather the width of your table columns, perfectly match that of the contents of your table. And so there are two ways to do this. The first one is by manually moving the table cells to make sure that they fit around your contents. And the other method is automatic. What you can do is first let's go ahead and return to our original setting. Now click anywhere inside the table, head on over to table layout. Now click on auto fit right here and click on autofit contents. And as you can see, your table columns or even table rows will automatically be adjusted to fit around the contents of your table. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.